Hello everyone, today's problem is kth missing positive number. So we are given an array of positive integers which is already sorted and excluding all those elements which are present in the given array are missing. So for example, we have this number line and in this array we are given 2, 3, 4, 7 and 11. So I remove all these integers and whatever I am left with are missing integers, and now we want to find the kth missing number. So in this case, fifth missing number. So this is the first missing number. This is second, third, fourth and fifth. So the answer in this case is 9 because 9 is the fifth missing number. The constraints are also pretty small. First, the given array has length only up to 1000 and the values that are present inside the given array are also very small, only up to 1000. Value of k is also very small and the given array is already sorted. So this really helps in solving this question. Let us see how we can solve this problem and why is this useful. So I started by initializing a variable answer by value 1 and another variable c with value 0. Now this c stands for count, that is how many missing integers are there. Currently there is no missing integer because I haven't found one, and n is the size of the given array. So I iterate for every integer that is present in the given array, and the first element that is present in the given array is 2. So I see if answer is equals to 2 or not. This evaluates to true because answer is not equals to 2 because currently it is 1 and therefore I increase the count. This basically means that there is one element which is not present in the given array, and that is why this thing that the sorted array is very helpful for us, because I know that if answer is not present currently in the given array, that is if the first element is not equals to answer, then in consecutive elements of the given array we won't be able to find answer as well, because all the elements that are present on the right of this element are definitely bigger than the current element. Now if the count of current missing elements is equal to k, then I return this integer. For example, if I wanted to find the first missing integer, that is k equals to 1, in that case we already have our first missing number which is 1, and therefore I will return 1. If this is not the case, then we increase the value of answer. So initially answer was set to this variable, but now it will have this value, that is 2. Again we check if 2 is not equals to the current element, but this time answer is equal to the current element and therefore I increase the value of answer, but this time the value of c, that is the count of missing elements, is not increased. Now we move forward in the outer loop and ARR of I is equals to 3. The value of our answer is also equals to 3. And again we see if the current element and the answer are not equal, but they are equal, and therefore I again increase the value of answer, so it reaches here, and the value of I also increases, therefore our current element becomes the next element of the given array. Again they have the same value, therefore answer increases and the value of I increases, but this time the current element becomes equal to 7. Why? Because this was the next element present in the given array. This time this condition is satisfied and the value of count increases and it becomes 2, because now we have two missing elements in the given array. So if k is equals to the number of current missing elements, then I return answer. Otherwise, I increase the value of answer again and it becomes equal to 6. Again, this is not the front element or the current element, and therefore the value of count is increased again. But this condition is not yet satisfied because k is equals to 5 in our example, and again the value of answer increases. This time it becomes equal to the current element of the given array, and therefore we come out of this loop. The value of answer increases but the value of count remains the same, and the current value becomes equal to 11. Again this condition is checked. This time also answer is not equal to the current element, and therefore we move one step forward, increasing the value of count, which becomes equal to 4, and then this is also checked, and this time also they are not equal, therefore again the value of count increases, but in our example k was equals to 5, therefore we return the current value, that is we return 9, and this is our answer. But there is one more possible case. What if we wanted to find the kth missing number where the value of k is equal to 10. In that case, the value of answer increases, then the count increases. Again the value of answer increases, but this time the count remains the same because this element is present. Now in this line, I once again increase the value of answer. So it becomes equal to 12. And then we come out of this loop because there are no more elements in the given array. Again I increase the value of count outside. The reason is very simple, because we never managed to check whether this element is present in the array or not. And definitely it is not present because all the elements that are present in the given array are already checked. So whatever is the element which is greater than the last element is not present in the given array. Therefore I increase the value of count, and therefore the value of count becomes equal to 7. Now as this is a number line, I know that the difference between every consecutive integer is only 1, and I know that 12 is the 7th integer, that is the 7th missing integer, and I want to know the 10th missing integer. So what is the difference between cth missing number and kth missing number must be added to our variable to get the desired answer. That is, there is a difference of 3 in this case, so we need to move forward 3 steps, right? So this is the 8th integer, this is the 9th, and whatever is here will be the 10th integer, and we have 15 here. So whatever is the difference between k and c, we add it to this variable answer, and that is our result. Like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.